Who doesn't have this problem? Beautiful Kallax shelves from IKEA, full of stuff, and you have to look at it all the time.
But guess what? The stuff inside that Kallax shelf isn't going to hide itself. Let's get to work.
The first thing we needed to find was a 1/2-inch piece of finished plywood, and then, if you have a neighbor named Eric, he will cut perfectly sized boards for you.
Once we figured out the right dimensions, 13¼ by 29 inches, we then added hinges in all the same spot, 6 inches from the top and 6 inches from the bottom.
Now, this style of hinge means that you want to line up the edge of your board here with the interior of the shelf. And then you just notch in these two. And by the way, since I'm pretty sure there is no do-it-yourself YouTube video without a drill, check, we actually did it. One hot tip, I practiced on the back a couple times. You can see these practice holes there. So I figured out the exact dimensions and how to make the shelf. After we put on the hinges, we picked out a beautiful little knob. Put the knobs all in the exact same place, which is what we're doing right now. We've got knobs right here, and we're fixing them to the front.
So now we're ready to put the doors actually on the front of our Kallax shelf. And we ordered these knobs from Amazon, and they came all the way from China first. I thought this was a pretty small screwdriver, but no, they gave us this. I mean, that's just awesome. So I had to include that in the video.
The knobs go on pretty easily. One-handed, knob is on. The last step was making sure that we aligned the tops of all the doors so that they were even. Drilled in the side here. We had to use 3/4 inch wood screws here, and because this area is so thin, we had to use 1/2-inch screws with a washer here on that side. But there we have it.
It's them.
The best part is my friend Keith loves these new Kallax shelves, and so does my wife, who shares this bedroom. Have a good one.